Being an entrepreneur takes a lot in order to launch, execute, grow, and scale your business. As a result, entrepreneurs have to be extra careful with every decision, and being able to manage their time correctly will play a part in how well your business grows. So in today's video, that's exactly what we'll be discussing. 4 time management tactics for busy entrepreneurs like yourself. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first time management tactic for busy entrepreneurs is to break down activities into simple problems. Breaking down your activities into simple problems can help simplify your problems. Improving your time management skills will require you to establish a process and then break it down into smaller automatic operations that you can quickly do, and it won't require a lot of time to do so. Successful entrepreneurs take the time to break down complicated tasks into smaller pieces to make the process easier to comprehend and follow. The second time management tactic for busy entrepreneurs is to create a prioritized system. When it comes to prioritizing your workload as an entrepreneur, you want to make sure you are prioritizing what's important and what's not important. As an entrepreneur, it's easy to write out a bunch of daily tasks each day and end up not completing any of the tasks for your business. You want to make sure you are prioritizing what's important and what needs to be done in order to get your business to the next level. Just remember, it's not about how much is on your to-do list, but how much work will actually move your business forward in execution. So you want to make sure you're distinguishing which tasks are most important in your business and which tasks can be put off until a better timing. You also want to make sure you're saying no to things and people who aren't in alignment with your business goals. As an entrepreneur, you have to be willing to sacrifice your timing with family and friends in order to get your task completed. A lot of times as an entrepreneur, it's very easy to not get your work done because you're too focused on everyone else's need but your business need. As a result, this can cause your business to sink and have a slow progress because you're not willing to just say no to simple things. If you want your business to grow and you want to make this your full-time business, you have to make sure you're sticking to your to-do list before going out to enjoy yourself. A quote I love to stick with, which came from Dave Ramsey, is live like no one else so later you can live like no one else. Meaning, do things that need to be done now. You can later enjoy the fruits of your labor. Your business is only what you put into it. So don't be afraid to say no now to what isn't going to move your business forward. Remember, this is your business, and if you don't put the work into it, no one else will either. So don't feel guilty for putting your business first before having fun with others. The third time management tactic for busy entrepreneurs is to start with your most complicated tasks first and then moving on to your easiest tasks. One thing I notice as a full-time entrepreneur is when I wake up in the morning and I begin my work, I have more energy during the day, and as I do my work throughout the day, I find myself being more exhausted. So if you begin your day or your work schedule with doing the complicated tasks first, this will stop you from making excuses to not get your work done. One thing I know for sure is when you have tasks you don't want to do, if you put them off last, you'll find yourself tired and you'll continue to make excuses each day on why you didn't get the task done. So be sure you know what's important on your to-do list. Start with the most complicated tasks first to knock it on out. If you have a job and you're managing your business, you can set out time on your days off and prioritize your business needs and use those off days to batch your content for your business. Working a job and being an entrepreneur can seem difficult, but it resorts back to making sure you're managing your day-to-day timing to get it done. So if that means using your off days to work your business, use that time and dominate your tasks. The fourth time management tactic for busy entrepreneurs is to create a long-term roadmap for your business. Planning is a repetitive task that can drag away your day-to-day activities. When you create a long-term plan, it will allow you to better focus on your goals and help you decide whether new tasks that come up are in alignment with your goals or not. When you create a long-term plan, it will allow you to better focus on your goals and help you decide whether new tasks that come up are in alignment with your goals or not. When you can define what duties you must do in order to have a successful business, you can determine the expected outcomes and measure them every month. Preparing a long-term roadmap will allow you to see what's working within your business each month, and it'll allow you to determine what needs your immediate attention and what doesn't. As a business owner, you don't want to go day to day with no time management within your business, because your business won't grow with no structure. If you're wanting to become a successful business owner, you're going to have to make sure you're sacrificing in the beginning to see the greater rewards in the end. Learning how to manage your time daily, not only as an entrepreneur, but any kind of life task, will help you to achieve any goal you set out to reach. So you want to make sure your business has structure and that you're aiming to reach short and long-term goals within your business. As an entrepreneur, if you're not aiming to hit a goal, you will easily be led from one assignment to another before getting anything accomplished. So you want to make sure you're structuring your business to have a long-term roadmap. This is going to bring us to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to go ahead and give me a like on this video. If you are not a part of the community, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I teach you guys how to unleash your purpose so that you can monetize it and start and grow your business in order for you to live a life that you deserve. I am Tiara, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.